In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your business address in Stripe. Whether you're moving to a new location or just need to correct an error, keeping your business information up to date is essential for smooth operations and ensuring everything reflects correctly on your transactions. Let's dive right into it. First up, we want to head over to your Stripe account. So open your preferred web browser and go to the Stripe website. If you haven't already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. Once you're in, you'll notice a toolbar on the left. Look for the menu item labeled Settings. It's usually towards the bottom of the menu. Click on that, and it should open up several options related to your account settings. Under Settings, you'll see a variety of categories you can explore, but for today, we are specifically interested in the Business section. Click on Business, and this will further expand to show more detailed options related to your business account. Here, you'll find Business Details. Go ahead and click on that, and this will lead you to a page where you can view and edit your business information. Now, this is where you can update your business address. Go to the section displaying your current business address. If you're updating due to a move, correcting an error, or any other reason, ensure you have the full and correct details before you start typing it in. This includes the street address, city, state, postal code, and country. Double check for accuracy because these details are crucial for maintaining proper records and communication with clients and partners. Once you have entered the new address, take a moment to ensure everything appears correct. It's easy to make a typo, and you don't want to have incorrect information on your account. If everything looks good, go ahead and save your changes. Most sites, including Stripe, will have a save button or a prompt to confirm the changes, so make sure to hit that to ensure your new address is recorded. And that's it. Once you've saved your new details, you've successfully updated your business address in Stripe. It's a simple process, but one that's important for ensuring your contact information is up to date. This can help avoid potential pitfalls, particularly with billing and notifications. Plus, it's always a good practice to regularly check your account settings to see if anything else might need updating. Thanks for following along with me today. Keeping your business information current is just one of many small steps you can take to streamline your operations and keep everything running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials on managing your business online effectively. See you in the next video.